So this huge sunflower head that's drying out, it was humongous, almost 15 feet tall, I want to say, 17 feet. So we have a lot of sun going on around here.
Meet Jinson. Jinson was compensated for sharing his expertise with us. When it comes to knowing how power works, this guy knows how complicated everything can be.
The utility side of things, it's how do we get the power, where do we build the plants, Cat V, IPEA, NESC, IMUA, IMEA.
Well, thankfully, there's something easier.
Simplicity-wise, solar really dumbs it down for everyone.
The sun is out, the panels make energy, and the battery holds it all. But does it really work?
At total, we're producing about 190% of our usual electrical consumption.
All that energy with a more predictable bill. Plus, in an outage, Sunrun had him covered.
I get a text saying, oh, by the way, 30,000 people in your neighborhood have an outage right now. You know, we didn't notice. Everything was good for us, and we just kept living life as we usually do.
He might be an expert, but you don't have to be to make the switch.
The benefits of solar to the physical system, it's night and day.